Hey, what up you guys? So I'm back again with a video. Now, this amazing ginormous package of goodness from Norma Lisa was my winnings that I received a few months ago. So I apologize, Norma Lisa. I really do apologize that it's taking me so long, but as you can see, it's still sealed. So I haven't even opened it. So sorry if you hear my birds, but they want to chirp now. So let's hope we can get through this. She put this adorable little raccoon up here, and look how cute is this butterfly with my address on it. Thank you so much, Norma Lisa. Guys, I'm gonna leave her link down below. Make sure to go check her out. And thank you, Norma Lisa, for this ginormous package. And I apologize again. So let me open it up so we can see what we have, because I totally forgot. I saw her video on it, but I totally forgot what I won, and I know it's amazing things in here. So, guys, look at this. I'm gonna open up the card, but I just want you guys to see how beautiful she packaged this up. So perfect. Look at my card with a cute little butterfly there. It says, "Woohoo, Crystal!" And look at this beautiful tissue paper. How cute! Oh, I'm going to reuse this. It has like little glitter on there. I'll reuse that. I reuse everything. And look at all this crinkles. Amazing. And oh my gosh, she stuffed this to the max. Okay, so I'm gonna pull out everything and we're gonna see, but I'm gonna read my card first. And we're gonna see what she has sent my way. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. This is the card. How pretty are those flowers? Like glitter too. Congrats, Crystal. A super big congratulations on my winnings on my 100 and subby giveaway. I appreciate all your support and kindness. Hope you enjoy your goodies. Of course I will. Congratulations, Crystal. Love and hugs, Norma Lisa, aka the Misfit Florida Crafter. I'm so sorry if I didn't say her YouTube name. Thank you, Norma Lisa. I'm gonna put your address in here in the card so I can send you a thank you card. Guys, seriously, like she packaged this amazingly. Look at this. All this crinkle and bubble wrap. Everything is protected. I'm gonna pull out this amazingness that I am definitely going to be reusing. Let's see what we have in here. The first thing I see, you guys, is this Mickey Mouse Disney bag. Look how cute. It's like the vintage, the original back in the day one. Love that. It's black and white with the Mickey Mouse with the red straps. How cute is this? Thank you. Is that from Dollar Tree? And if it is, I've never seen it. So cute. She also gifted me this 1 count garland. Oh, this looks like it's from Target. Look how adorable that is, you guys. I could put this on projects. Yes. Thank you, Norma. Paris shaped note cards. How beautiful is this, you guys? Look at the envelope that it comes in, first of all. It has like this, looks like, you know, I don't know what this thing is called, but how cute. Look at the mail thing.
Paris shaped note cards, 10 cards with foil embellishment, 10 colored envelopes.
She must have got this from Hobby Lobby or Tuesday Morning. I forget the little sticker thing. But look, this is what it's included inside. Look how beautiful. Oh my God, Norma Lisa, thank you. I also, oh, what are these? Whimsical by Pink Paisley. I love Pink Paisley. This is swatch books. What? What is that? Okay, let's read the back. It says 36 pages in each book, 72 total, 36 pages. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so this is, why is it swatch books? What does that mean? Guys, check this out. Look at this. So it looks like the sticker's in the way. I'm gonna open it up in this packaging because I need to see what this is. So over here, I think these are like little cards that you can make little mini envelopes with. And look at the example that it has there, you see? Oh, I'm so jelly because the Tuesday Morning at Hobby Lobby is super far away from me. But thank you so much, and I love Pink Paisley. Like, I just love it. Oh, okay. There are things in packaging. Look how adorable. She packaged everything, you guys. Okay, hold up. Before I take this stuff out, I'm just gonna take out the stuff that she, oh, and this bag. I didn't show you. Okay, but before I do that, I'm gonna just show you the stuff that she has in here. Wow. Okay, this is a bird stamp by Crepe Paper. We are memory keepers. This is beautiful. Look at that, you guys. And I love birds. Look at that. I gotta get inks. Okay, I'm gonna have to get some colored nice inks. And I can do stamps. You get 4 images, I think. Oh no, it's 1, I think. And you layered them. Hold up, let me read this. This is so cool. Thank you so much, Norma Lisa. Look at my bird pillow, you guys. Did you see it? Ah, shh. Peaches. Something told me to roll her in the room, but I didn't. Okay, so yeah, that's my pillow from Walmart that I got not too long ago. I absolutely love it. And it's, oh my God, this is so cool. I have to play with that, seriously. What's this? This is from EK Tools Curvy Cutter Bow Maker. Guys, if you have earbuds, take them off because this will pierce your ears. My bird chirps. How cool is this, are you guys? Oh, my mom's gonna be like, bring that over. We're gonna play with that. Let's go. Let's make bows for Christmas so we don't have to buy Christmas bows and we can make our own. How cool, oh my gosh. Look at that, you guys. Oh my goodness gracious. Thank you so much, Norma Lisa. Ooh, these are cute. These are, it looks like from Michael's. Flower pieces. Look how cute that is. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna keep one, and I have someone in mind that I want to give this to because. Oh my God, thank you so much. It's a mini punch, you guys. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. This is so tiny. So I guess you can make it like little dots like this. Oh, I can make even confetti with this. Oh, endless ideas with that. What is this? This is a paper milk carton. This is by Recollections. Oh wow. Yes. Okay, so check this out, you guys. This is to make your own little box. Look. Look how cool. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Oh my God, I cannot wait to. Okay, wait, before I show you guys this, hold up, wait a minute. I seen these from Dollar Tree. I seen these from Dollar Tree. Okay, these are the wall decoration, like wall peel and stick wall things. Look how adorable. I've always seen this one and I never pick it up, but you know, you can do so much with this, you guys. You can, you know, decorate your boxes for friend mail. You can even do, because Liana, It's a Deal did it. She used these for like a memory decks card. Like, how creative is that? But look how adorable are these. Oh my God, I love it. And then I got a coffee one. But first, no, it doesn't say that. It says, first I drink coffee. First I do first I drink coffee, then I do all the things. It doesn't say all, it says I do the things. Look how cute. I think I've seen this one from Dollar Tree. I'm not too sure. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love coffee. Guys, I drink like about 2 cups a day. Sometimes 3. Just mainly 2. Look at this llama stickers. Oh, I hope you don't mind if I send this to a friend who absolutely loves llama, and I'm putting her llama stuff together in a huge box like this that you sent my way. So if you don't mind, or maybe I'll just decorate the box with it. Yes. How adorable are these, you guys? Thank you so much, Norma Lisa. You're so cute. And the last, no, not the last thing. I have a couple other things right here, but this right here, you guys, this is the travel stamp platform. This is by Tim Holtz. This is with the magnet. I've seen people use this. Oh my God, now I have my own. Oh, I need ink now. I need so much things. But I could see my mom saying, come over, let's play with it. My mom has a nice collection of stamps, and I would not mind going to her house and craft with her. And she can probably help me use this because my mom knows all the things, I tell you. Oh my God, this is amazing. Thank you so much, Norma Lisa. Jeez Louise. I am going to send you something probably for the fall because I am behind on so much, you guys. You have no idea. But oh my God, Norma Lisa, I am ecstatic with all my goodies in here, but it's not done yet, you guys. I am going to open this gorgeous tissue paper here with little bunny rabbits. Oh no, Norma Lisa, don't get cringy. I know, Norma Lisa, I know you opened up your packaging super like delicately. Is that a word? But I tried. Look at that, you guys. What is it there? How cute. Let's see. Oh my god, how beautiful is this? This is gorgeous. Guys, this is baking notes. Look at this. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Wow, this is just amazing. Absolutely stunning. Maybe I could just try. So look, this is how the front cover looks. Let's see how the back looks. Shh, 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 shh. Look at the back. It has like a little slot here too. How cool is that? And then when you open it up, it has photos, first of all. Look how gorgeous. Then you have here the recipes from the kitchen, ingredients, method. Wow, look at the cute little like, oh. Look at this, you guys. Stunning. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Oh, this is absolutely beautiful. Wow, look at that. This reminds me of my mom. I'll tell you why. My mom loves graphic 45 paper. Is that what it's called? And she just loves anything vintage, and it's just, wow, this is amazing. Lined paper to write down favorite recipes, useful conversation charts and baking tips, perforated paper for making shopping lists. I don't know if I said that first word right. Pockets for sorting loose recipes, notes, and cuttings. Wow. How amazing is that, you guys? Absolutely stunning. This is amazing. I'm going to put it back in the tissue paper because I don't want to ruin it. Oh my gosh. This is, oh my gosh. Oh. And the last thing, oh my goodness, or the last couple of things in this adorable baggie that I will be reusing for Easter because I believe I got this during Easter time. So cute. Oh my god. Okay. Actually, I have these. Oh, it's okay. I'm going to share with my mom. I hope that's okay. I got this in my birthday challenge giveaway. And this is the pink paisley whimsical little butterfly charms. How adorable is that, you guys? Oh, beautiful. The Maggie Holmes. Embellishment rhinestones. Look, you guys. I don't have these. Thank you. I'm trying to build my stash on Maggie Holmes. Oh my god, how cute are these? I have these actually. These are the pink paisley whimsical ephemera, but I've been using them. So I'm glad I have another pack. Look at that. Let's show the back so you can see what's included. It has the paint set. It has some words, butterflies, birds, frames. Oh my goodness, look at the fox. Super cute. This is from Jen Hatfield. Phrase stickers, 120. Look at the color. It has little gold accents. I wonder, oh yes, they are. They come black, white, and pink. Oh my gosh. I need these. I don't have much of these. Oh my gosh, thank you. And a couple of more things here. These stickers, these craft stickers, they're cupcakes. I love these. I love Dollar Tree stickers, you guys. I just do. So these are gonna come in handy for sure. Oh, look at these stickers that are unicorns. So cute. And the last thing, ooh. Wow, this is gorgeous. Look at that. So these are postcards. Now, I'm going to have to open them up because I don't want the glare. And I'm at 21 minutes. Wow. Okay. Hold up. Whoa, these are absolutely stunning. Oh no, I have to share some with someone. I'm going to split these up and share some with someone in mind because I have a feeling she's going to like this. This one says, "Who is in your head?" Look at that. Gorgeous. That's how the back looks. You write a little note, you send it off. This one says dream. Does she have a toothbrush? How cute. These are super unique. So pretty. Wow. These are absolutely stunning. Oh wait. Wow. All right. That's amazing. I can't. Who are you calling empty? Wow. And the last one here. Reminds me of Medusa. Wow, these are very unique, you guys. I mean, these are from Delusions. I don't know if I'm saying that right. You get 8 pieces in here. Wow, this is very unique. I hope you're okay, Norma Lisa, if I share these with someone who I think might enjoy them. There's 8 in here, so I'm going to keep 4 and send 4 to her. But, oh my God, Norma Lisa, thank you so much for all these amazing goodies. And guys, please go check out her channel. And I apologize again, Norma Lisa, my apologies. I will be sending you something for the fall or Christmas time because I'm behind on so much that I have going on right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments down below, subscribe, do all those things, and make sure to go check out Norma Lisa's channel, you guys, and I'll check you guys on my next one. Okay, bye.
These birds, I tell you, they won't let me film. These are my kids, my birds. I love them. They are my kitties, but come on. Shh. Adorable little, using my box cutter that my friend Trish Davis sent me a very long time ago. I miss Trish Davis. Who remembers Trish Davis here on YouTube? We were very close friends, and she just, I have no idea what happened to her, and I just hope she's okay. And her family's doing well. Gave my bird some of the crinkles, because maybe they'll keep her occupied. I gave her cardboard, paper. She has a whole bunch of toys in there. I always try to switch things up. She's kind of being loud right now, so as you can hear, she's going towards the pink crinkles. Now she's playing with it. Okay, perfect. 8 minutes. Oh no. And I'm starting to build my stash. I'm starting to have my own little small stamps